Alright, so we have another unboxing video. So this is the HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i. And yeah, this is the wireless earbuds from HUAWEI themselves. Has high-res audio as well over here. Amazing. Okay, so basically in this unboxing and first impression, we are just going to check out the packaging itself. What are the key features you should know? High resolution sound, 42 decibel multi-mode ANC. Wow, there's ANC over here. That's great. 28 hours of playback with the case. Man, that is long. Dual device connections. Swipe, press twice, long press. IP54 water resistance. Great. Alright, so pretty much that's it from this guy here. And it's actually usable for Android and iOS as well. So all you need to do is download this Huawei AI Live app in order to use it. So you cut it up. Let me just cut it up again. Okay, so we roughly had the thing cut up already. Great. There's something about all these kind of boxes. They are really hard to open because of the air seal type. Nonetheless, nothing's gonna stop me from unboxing this guy. Voila. Wow, not bad. Nice. Cool. So we have the charging case earbuds inside. Let's check what's underneath. So you do have the ear tips themselves, paperwork over here, and I think this is the charging cable. But how do I access into it? I see. So you have the size of small and large as well. Cool. And then the cable itself is a Type C to Type A. Not bad. Okay, so we are done exploring it. Let's explore the wireless earbuds themselves. Okay. Man, that's easy. Very easy. Okay, great. So there you go. Well, basically it looks like a bar of soap. Okay. And first thing you notice, the Huawei logo, and then the LED notification light over here. Next up, there is a connection button over here. So the USB Type C charging port over here, and then you open it up, and there you go. That's the wireless earbuds themselves. Looks cool. What do you think? Nice, right? So let's have a up close on the earbuds themselves. Not bad. Not bad. So there is also indication to let you know this is the left side earbuds. That's the Huawei logo. Simple, minimalistic. That's what comes into my mind for these wireless earbuds. Okay, so I'm not gonna waste too much of your time because I'm definitely going to do some review on this guy over here, how's the usage like, and so much more. So if you want to know more, please stay tuned for the full review of this HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i review. but I'm definitely going to use my Android smartphone to pair along. Okay, so once again, hopefully you guys enjoy this kind of unboxing, first impression videos. Okay, and for those who just want to know how does the tips feels like, feels like very kind of affordable rubber. Alright, so yeah, subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow us on the social media, and head to the website, go and read all the news. I'm Yat Kean for Trend Ground, going to bid you guys farewell and see you guys on the next one. Bye.